Xiaomi has officially introduced its second-generation foldable device in China, known as the Xiaomi Mix Flip 2. This new model is fully designed to compete with Samsung's soon-to-be-released Galaxy Z Flip 7. Its design integrates 199 grams of weight and has dimensions of 7.57 millimeters thick when unfolded and 15.87 millimeters thick when folded. It is notable for its new dragon bone hinge, which according to Xiaomi figures is 30% more impact resistant and certified for more than 2 lakh folds and unfolds. In this context, I believe they still do not surpass other hinges that offer 4 lakh folds and displays guaranteed, even though it is a decent number. Moreover, it should be noted that in this instance, there is no resistance to water or dust, which I think will be its primary disadvantage when competing against Samsung and even other manufacturers. These competitors already ensure full resistance against water in this type of folding technology. Regarding the screens, there are two to be noted. Being a foldable device, it features an external AMOLED display that measures 4.1 inches. It boasts a resolution of 1.5K and is protected by Xiaomi Dragon Crystal 2.0. As for the inner screen, it includes an AMOLED panel measuring 6.86 inches, also with a 1.5K resolution. Both screens operate at 120 Hz and can achieve an impressive peak brightness of 30,200 nits, which is higher than usual. This ensures they provide excellent display quality, especially in terms of cameras. The optics have been signed by Leica. The rear system is dual, featuring a main OmniVision Light Hunter 800 sensor, which is the top-tier sensor managed by this manufacturer. It boasts a resolution of 50 megapixels and includes optical stabilization. Moreover, due to the excellent quality of the sensor, we are provided with a 2x zoom within the sensor. The second camera is an ultra-wide-angle camera, which also offers 50 megapixels. Regarding the front camera, we have a resolution of 32 megapixels. However, in this type of folding phone, the front camera is not frequently used because users can benefit from the superior quality of the external cameras. Therefore, we don't focus too much on this particular camera. Now, when it comes to the battery and charging, we have a pleasant surprise. This is actually the first folding flip-type phone to exceed 5,000 mAh, boasting a capacity of 5,165 mAh. Even though we have to be truthful, we've already tried out numerous Xiaomi gadgets. On paper, they often show up with what appears to be an extremely large battery. However, when we actually test them, they often fall significantly short of our expectations. So, we shouldn't get too excited until we can actually test this battery to determine if it will truly deliver what one would expect from a battery of this size. In this particular instance, it supports fast charging at 67 watts using a cable and 50 watts wirelessly. For performance, there's the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, top of the line today, with 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, LPDDR5X, and up to a terabyte of storage UFS 4.11. In software, we see HyperOS 2, which, among other features for China, controls Xiaomi electric cars and improves interaction with Apple devices. However, we will later explore the news about HyperOS, as it is rumored that for version 3, Xiaomi is actively developing its own liquid glass. This is the same translucent effect that Apple has implemented in iOS 26. Furthermore, regarding additional software features, the external display can transform a photo of your pet into an engaging interactive virtual pet. The starting price for this Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 is $59.99 yuan, which is approximately $835. Although remember that prices here are not the same as over there, this foldable offers a large battery, fast wireless charging, and Leica cameras. Let me know if you think it's enough to compete with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which will be revealed soon.